Hello again. This video will talk a little bit about how to use the different options in the center dropdown that you have for each rule. So that center dropdown, by default, it will say any, and this will look for any of the words that are in the blank that's following it. So here we're in goods and services stemmed. This field will look for the root of each term. So it will look for terms overclocking or graphics or card, since those three words are just separated by a space. If you run a search, you'll see that we've got a huge number of results, 447,000 results, because it's looking for any of those three terms. If we want to say just look for all of those terms, that's the equivalent of putting an and, Boolean and in between each of these phrases. It'll look for some variation of overclocking plus graphics plus card. This will drop our results down to just 3. Obviously quite a bit fewer. And then if we look for a phrase, that's sort of the equivalent, if you're in Google, of putting some quotation marks around a phrase that you are searching for. We want to look for just the phrase overclocking a graphics card. This narrows our results down to 2. So there was one additional one that had all 3 of the words overclocking and graphics and card, but only 2 of them had this complete phrase overclocking a graphics card. So you can use these ways to modify your individual fields to make sure that you're getting exactly the results you want within a particular field, in addition to adding rules or groups of rules to make different sets of data interact with each other.